Here's what no one's telling you when it comes to all of these major outages that's been happening in the last 6 months. These outages are for one caused by us depending more on infrastructure like data centers and cloud and all that to power AI in our everyday lives. Which again, it can be anything between server hosting, cell towers, Wi-Fi, you name it. In this video, we're going to be breaking down things you can do to not only mitigate the damage, but potentially avoid it overall. Now, if you're the common person, there isn't really much you can do. Chances are you're relying on monopoly infrastructure to power monopoly services. I'll give you an example. If you're relying on AWS, which is, Amazon servers to power your Netflix and your PlayStation, whatever, then there's nothing you can do there. You can't host PlayStation in your home. You can't host Netflix in your home. That's an independent service, a monopoly that's dependent on another monopoly. The only thing you can really do in this situation is just be aware. Have DVDs, maybe some downloaded videos, offline viewing. That's really it. Now, if you're a business owner, there's significantly more that you can do. For one, you can bring it in-house and make it decentralized. Now, what do I mean by that? So if you have, let's just say, a CRM that you're using that's dependent on Amazon and somebody else, right? Instead of relying on several third-party options to just keep it up and running, you can just bring your entire system in-house by making your own CRM, which is, 9 times out of 10, it might be pretty easy to make one, but the only issue is transferring everything over, but that can be worked around. And the same procedure can be done for almost anything that you have that's a software. You could just have a backup plan of having multiple hosting options. For example, if your website is dependent on running on, let's just say, GoDaddy for your hosting. That way, if GoDaddy goes down, you can just swap everything over from GoDaddy onto, Amazon, for example. This way, even if it does go down for a week, a few days, a few hours, whatever the case may be, you can still have your service, website, your platform running throughout all the chaos. Now, this is all pretty broad. If you have a specific situation or use case that you're dealing with right now, or if you have any more questions, don't be afraid to comment down below or just reach out to me in the messages.